The ligand filtering panel is used to filter a set of ligands based on their properties. This panel allows you to set up filtering criteria for a set of structures. The filtering criteria are represented as a set of conditions on Maestro properties, certain predefined feature counts, or counts of smarts patterns for functional groups. To open the ligand filtering panel, go to the Tools menu and select Ligand Filtering. Select a structure source from the Use Structures From option menu. Choose how matching is defined under ligand matches if 1. All criteria are satisfied, or 2. At least one criterion is satisfied. Choose what to do with the ligands that match using the Matching Ligands options. Select a property, general attribute, or functional group from the lists in the corresponding tabs, and construct a criterion using the text boxes and option menus. Click Add to add the criterion to the filtering definitions and criteria list. To create new functional group definitions, use the Add Definition dialog box by clicking New. Each pattern that is added to the definition can either be included in the definition or excluded from the definition. For example, if you wanted to match all oxygen atoms that were not in alcohols, you could include oxygen atoms and exclude alcohols. Then, create a name for the new functional group definition. Enter the smarts expression in the text box above the list and click Include or Exclude. You can also select atoms in the workspace and then click Get from Selection to add a smarts pattern for the selected atoms to the text box, as shown. Once you have your smarts expression, click Add. Click Start to set up and start the job.